Yung time ko sa Phoenix, for me kasi very welcoming talaga yung team. Not just the players, the management, but especially the coaches, especially kay Coach Jamaic kasi we all know naman Coach Jamaic, diba? For me, he's a player's coach talaga, second dad to us, and sobrang minamaximize na yung buong time namin sa training, before ng training and after, to really get to know each other. Diba, nakakapagkwentuhan kami out of nowhere, minsan hindi about basketball. So, yung bonding nung team, naging parang family talaga. For now, hindi namin pa talaga iniisip kung hanggang saan kami aabot. Basta, yun nga, again, the usual na sinasabi ng coaches, which sobrang laking bagay, is to really look at this coming conference game by game. Diba? Ngayon, syempre, mas nakakapag-prepare kami for NLEX, which is yung first game namin. And sa import, wala talaga kami masasabi kasi very, very down to earth. The skill set is there. Galing din sa NBA, bata pa. Tapos, athletic siya and he's really agile. So, we trust him a lot and we trust the coaches na kung ano man yung gagawin namin within the system, mag-work for the team.